Yeah. Life's a birdcage, that's the box I'm living in each day. Same shells, same walls, same faded out gray. Light barely hitting through the iron bars, tight concrete wrapped around me, swallowing the light. Yeah. Eyes low, mind slow, feel the weight in my chest. Pacing back and forth like I'm fighting for breath. My stare drifts past the meadow where the future should be, but it's distant like a dream that keeps running from me. Even when hope feels close, like it's standing right here, and bars rise up, cold steel, crystal clear. I wanna break free, stretch out, unfold, but these chains grip tight like they welded to my soul. I wanna rise higher, climb past the sky, but I'm stuck wanting things I can't touch, can't buy. And even if my feathers shine brighter than gold, I'm still a caged bird, trapped, controlled. A bird with wings that never get to fly, no matter how much fire I keep inside. I'm just a bird in a cage, trying to rise, trying to break from the chains. Got the sky in my mind, but the bars in my face. The wings won't lift in this cold, tight space. Feathers shine, but the freedom ain't mine. I've been stuck in this box for a long, long time. Yeah, I'm built for the sky, but I'm locked inside. Just a bird with a fire that can't take flight. Some days I feel the world pressing down on my back, like the system got me cornered, keeping me off track. Every step that I take, man, the walls just close, but I still hold hope in the place no one knows. And even if the cage got bars made of steel, I'm still fighting for a freedom that I need to feel.